Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story comment option not showing problem. Okay, let's start the video. First, long press on Instagram app. Click on app info. Click on force stop. Then OK. Click on storage and cache. Clear cache and clear storage. And go to your Play Store app. Now update your Instagram app. Instagram app is updated. Now click on open. Login your Instagram app. Click on profile icon. Click on three-line icon. Scroll down. Click on comments. Click on storage.
And finally click on everyone. Turn on everyone option. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video.